Welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We have another great recipe. Actually, idea. We want to thank Shadowlight. A couple of weeks ago, he sent over a request to make something that is possibly from all Walmart. All Walmart ingredients. So this is what we have here, Hiro.
Right.
And you want to go through the ingredients?
Sure. Here's imitation lobster. Looks like an imitation crab, but they said imitation lobster. So imitation lobster. And here's an oyster. And then tilapia. Then I'm going to use scallion. And here's the noodle.
Ramen noodles.
Ramen
you can find these
from,
anywhere.
Yeah, you can buy from anywhere. The seasoning, I'm going to use the salt and pepper, and garlic, ketchup, soy sauce, and sesame oil.
So this is very easy for you to do. You can find these ingredients locally.
It's kind of stir fry noodle mixed with all those ingredients.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, first step, I'm going to do the fish. Take the water out. Then this one I just going to cut just like a dice cut.
Okay.
Dice cut or just a slice. Either way. Cutting like this way. No. Really, shape is not really, doesn't matter. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna put the salt and pepper. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep these things here. The next one, oyster. This one I'm going to cut a little bit smaller. This is okay. This one is not problem. The same way, salt and pepper. And those two items I'm going to put the cornstarch, and then first I'm going to make deep fry.
Okay.
First I'm going to cook the noodle.
Okay.
Just like the same as like you making instant noodle. Just cook. The heat off. Go into the sink. Just put a little bit of oil. Same treat as like pasta. Then you're gonna stick it together. Yeah, cooling down. Yeah. Now, all fish. First, I'm gonna put into the cornstarch. Yeah. Then fry it up. Okay, fish is ready. Pick up. The oyster. The cornstarch. Oyster ready. Oil. Garlic. Good smell. The oil is getting garlic flavor, you know.
Yeah.
So good.
Don't be afraid of garlic. Don't be afraid of it.
Garlic is good. After cook, there's not so much smell after you eat.
Right.
Okay. And then I'm gonna do onion and crab quickly. And then the ingredients. That, and then noodle, very quick. Quick salt and pepper. Soy sauce. Ketchup. Today the same red, but it's not a sambar. No spicy at all.
Okay. That looks really good already. Really, really good.
A little sesame oil. This side. Yes. Now, some meats between fish, oyster, and imitation lobster here. Okay, then more noodle on top, and then let's throw the meats on top to around with the noodle. Okay, that's it. So anyway, I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh scallion.
That looks so good.
And then I believe they have a sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds in the Walmart.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, but you can use that too. Okay, this is a imitation lobster, oyster, and tilapia, and scallion, and instant ramen noodle, kind of stir fry noodle, yakisoba.
All from Walmart.
Kind of stuff. Yeah.
So easy to do and so inexpensive. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you thought this was good, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us another challenge. And thank you for this one. See you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Walmart Gourmet Challenge. Arrows on. Enjoy.
Sure. Okay, take some noodles.
Walmart food never looked this good, huh, Hiro?
Walmart, yeah. Walmart, they have everything, meat and fish and everything.
Let me tell you, the meat department looked great. Saw that bone-in ribeye. So good.
Bone ribeye. If you make tataki, you can do too.
Yep.
Okay. I think a lot of flavor coming from the oyster.
Yeah.
To the, of course, the garlic.
Right. How's it though? You enjoy it?
This one, imitation lobster. This one after cook, kind of very interesting texture.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how they call. Like the rice cake, mochi.
Yeah.
More like
part of the starch, right? You put a lot of starch, a lot of added ingredients in there. So you're tasting not just the fish, but a bunch of other added items. But it does look good. And I'm going to have some off camera because holding this camera, it's not so easy.
Yeah, this is not bad. Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for the challenge, Hiro.
Thank you.
See you soon.